All right, let's get it, children. So these are the videos to help you with 6.7, graphing relationships. So important stuff. Read solution points for each equation in its table. Then sketch your idea of the graph on the grid. Finally, cut and paste the matching graph from page 51. Adjust just along the left edge so that the graph flips up to reveal your sketch underneath. Let's go. Alright, so let's do this. So on the first one it says these are your x values, these are your y values. So when x is 0, we need to find out y. So instead of x, it's going to be 0 minus 1. Anything times 0 is 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Let's go. 2 times 1 minus 1 is going to be 2 minus 1, which is 1. 2 times negative 1 minus 1, negative 2 minus 1 is going to be negative 3. Signs matter. Alright, I'm going to keep it low and easy. Let's plug in a 2. So 2 times 2 minus 1 is 4 minus 1, which is 3. And 3. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1 is 5. So, graph it. Boom, boom, boom. Oop. I already got it all. Alright, so there's my work and such. Alright, 0, negative 1. At 0, go down 1. 1, 1, over 1, up 1. Back, negative 1, down 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my graph. Let's go. Alright. Moving over. Doing this one. Oh, so on this one they gave me more guidance. They straight up told me. So let's do it. So when x is 0, so 0 plus 4 is going to be 4. 4 goes here. When y is 0, so y equals x plus 4. Well, to get that to be 0, that needs to be negative 4. Right? Get it? Because if I subtract 4 from both sides, so when x is negative 4, I'm going to have a 0. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. I'm going to keep it close. So 2 plus 4 is 6. My x is horizontal. My y is vertical. So go over nothing, go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't go up or down. Go right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back 1. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. Over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Woo! Birdie. That's my graph. Yeah, I still got time. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this page. Let's get it. Alright, cool. So numbers I always like to use. Negative 1, 0, positive 1. And then I'll see where to go from there. Negative 3 times negative 1 minus 2. A negative times a negative is positive, so that's going to be 1. Negative 3 times 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 is going to be negative 2. Negative 3 times 1 minus 2 is going to be negative 3. Negative 2 makes negative 5. This is going to get tall fast. A positive 2, negative 3 times 2 minus 2 is negative 6. Minus 2 is negative 8. Oh, this is getting out of hand. So I'm going to go the other way. Negative 3 times negative 2 minus 2. So that's my x being negative 2. Negative times a negative is positive. So that's 6 minus 2, which is going to be 4. Yep. That got out of hand quickly. So that's my x. And then up and down is my y. So negative 1, positive 1, 0, negative 2, 1, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 2, positive 2 is off the page. Negative 2, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Boom. Alright, last but not least, we got 4. And it says y equals 4. Okay. So if y is 4, I like to use 0, so it doesn't matter. Y is 4, it could be positive 1. Y is 4, it could be negative 1. No matter what happens, my y is always going to be 4. Doesn't matter what x is. It's just a fact. It's stated as a constant. Oh, gotta make sure I put that on there right. So my x goes from left to right. My y is vertical. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. And tell you what, I'm gonna dot this so I can see the difference because it's not at an angle. I might confuse my axis. That's what it looks like. So, taking a step back and looking at it all, that's what we got. Alright, so take your time, plug things in. Anytime you plug it in, use parentheses. It helps keep straight whether you're multiplying or adding or subtracting. And then I'm about to do 5 through 8 on the next one. So, let's go, Truman.